channel. Today we're going to learn about my digger.
Did you get this in the mail?
Yeah.
Who ordered that for you?
Daddy.
Daddy bought it for you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how exciting. Scooby's here. Scooby's hungry. So this is a little ride-on digger. Daddy, do you think you got the age appropriate? I feel like it might be for 2-year-olds.
I don't even remember ordering this. Whoa.
Get it out!
Get it all out.
Papa,
Yeah.
are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited? Show me.
Oh, this.
Show me. Oh, whoa. Can you pull it out of the box? Wow. Do you think you might be a bit big for it?
I might be.
Do you think? Good job. I'll take the rubbish. What's that?
Look, you can open this.
What else can you do with it? What's that?
I'm going to put it together.
Oh, is that the back seat? What else have you got in there?
Oh, the driver's seat.
Oh, the steering wheel. Can you pop that on top?
Oh, Daddy, we need batteries.
Okay.
Tashi, pop it up here. Ooh.
Daddy, I'm putting it together. We are building my digger now.
Oh, how many bits is there?
I'm trying to put this bit on, but
Do you think you need Daddy's help with that bit?
I think I got it.
You think you got it? Okay.
We can put this on, but I don't know how to. Can you get this bit out? I put this on.
Yeah. Whoa. You did a good job by yourself.
Pretty good.
What's left? This bit?
Yep, that bit and this bit.
Oh, can you open that one?
No.
Can. Where do you think this bit goes? Where do
I think it goes.
you think it goes? Here. Ready?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, cool.
And then this bit? Where does this bit go? I think it goes. Well, let's open it first. Where does it go?
I don't know. What bit? Oh,
You think so?
that's the actual digging bit that scoops it
Oh,
up.
I need a screwdriver by the looks of it. Hold that.
That's the scooper. I mean, you can scoop lots of dirt up, do you reckon?
Yeah.
What else can you scoop up with that?
Lucky we have our. Lucky we have our. What is it, Taj?
Screwdriving
Screwdriver
set.
kit.
You know what else you can scoop up with that, Taj?
Yeah.
Sand.
Yeah.
At the beach.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
Daddy, we need batteries. Look.
Okay. Yeah.
How exciting is this?
I don't know. What are you going to do with it?
Daddy, look, this can open.
Yeah.
And we can put all the things in there.
Okay.
All the tools.
Okay.
Hello.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited?
Hold on.
How's it going?
Good.
Is it nearly done?
Yes.
Last bit.
Wait, everyone.
Hi everybody, welcome back. And outside it's getting pretty dark. Oh look, there's more.
There is a moss.
How is it
Wow. Oh.
We're going to the beach. We're going to bring you along. Hi kids, we're at the beach now. And I'm playing with my digger. Hey, do you want to play with it? Ask your mummy if they can buy it for you. Okay. Okay, and now I'm playing with my digger.